DOV stands for dried on the vine, and that is the new way of drying raisins. UC Davis released the Selma Peat variety in 2001, and we actually began planting it in 2007. They bred this variety for sustainability and other agricultural reasons because labor and water, of course, have been two of the most important things that California has talked about for decades. And this grape was to answer those questions and to continue the raisin industry.
You talk about heirloom as far as agriculture, it's something that has been around and passed down for at least 50 years minimum. So what has been passed down for almost 100 years in our case is the root of these artichokes. And we grow from a root stock, and we grow these as a perennial, so that root stays in the ground year after year.
We grow super high density olives for olive oil. The olive season basically starts the day after harvest. It starts all over again from one year to the next, same thing.
We're a family farming company. We farm wine grapes, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, and citrus in a multitude of counties. We really want to make sure with every drop we can produce more crop. So we're really trying to use and be cognizant of what we have and use it efficiently.